Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSEsi. So as you can tell by the title, this is a beautiful gift that I got from April, which is the Craftyfox251, I want to say. So she sent me this for my birthday, so I thought I would come on and share with you the lovely gifts that she got me. So she sent me this card first. I'm not gonna open it, but and she put some money in there as well, which I was so grateful for, but I really wish that she never. She's very naughty. So I love this card, it's all lovely and glittery. Love that, so thank you so much, even though I thanked you already. And then this came, I think, a couple of days later. So she ordered me some things from Messing with Resin. So I will show you. So I got some chockies. I'm sorry if you can hear that banging, it's just because my window's open. It's very cloudy today, but I still feel hot. I'm going through that change. Well, I'm not. Anyway, it's a long story. But yes, I have some chockies, so thank you so much. My fat ass is on a diet, so I will give them to my daughter. Also this tag was inside. To Les, these gifts are just for you to wish you a happy birthday from your friend April. Really, really cute. And then I got some stickers. I will give these to my daughter because she does scrapbooking. So a cute cupcake with unicorn head, and then this beautiful flower. I think they are stickers. They are cute. And then yeah, so basically where this came from, Messing with Resin, Facebook, Instagram, there's the website. I need to jump on and have a little look, see what she's got on there. Right, so we have 4 packages. Let's go with this one. I've already opened them, did I say that? Oh, I haven't taken these out of the packets. Thank you for your purchase. Okay. Okay. Remove that. So we have a necklace. I want a white background. Yeah. Look how beautiful that is. So there's some tiny little flowers in there, and then some gold leaf. That is really, really beautiful. I love that so, so much. Handmade with love. I really love that. Thank you so, so much for that. I'll keep that there just in case I need it. Then we have this one. Again, this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love that it also comes with a care guide. Oops. Again, handmade. These are all handmade, obviously, from resin. Look, it's a key ring. Look how beautiful that is. Can you see it properly? So pretty. love that so much. Thank you so much, April. Okay. This is bloody amazing. I was like, oh, a cute little kitty cat. But then wait until you see what it is. Firstly, I don't know if April knows, but black and gold are my two favourite colours, as well as ox blood, like an ox blood red, but gold and silver, gold and black together, I think are beautiful. But yeah, this cute little cat, and then you open it and you have a mirror inside. How cool is that? Now, I'm not going to lie, I need a mirror for my handbag, because on my last one, I don't know what happened to it. So it's always good to have a mirror in my bag, so that is going straight in there. And then lastly, I got this like resin, what should we call it? Resin, oh god. Help me. I don't know what it's called. Oh god. But anyway, you can use it for like putting your gel polishes and whatnot on. So pretty. I don't know if that's a flower. I don't think you're gonna see, but it looks like a flower to me, obviously. But inside it's a little bit cloudy, so I can't see. But I think there is a flower inside. It's so pretty. I love that, so I'm going to keep that on my desk, because I do have a few, and I got one that I really love from Joe, but I have that on display and I don't want to use it. Oh, also I got this really big one that Wendy had made me. Again, that's on display. And then I have one that I actually made myself, and it was just a joke. I didn't use resin, I used like a builder gel. I mean, it all curled up. I mean, you can use it, I still have it, but this is really beautiful. Love the glitters in it. Really, really love that. So April, my darling, thank you so much again for my beautiful presents, and the money as well. You really shouldn't have done that, but thank you so much. Yeah, that is it for today's video. A bit short and sweet for me. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, please continue to take care of yourselves. As always, I love you all so much, and you will see me in my next video. Bye for now.